Welcome to Understanding Computers and Their Evaluation, presented by Wave Programmer. In this video, we'll be exploring the basic and key concepts of computers and trace their historical development. Today, we will cover several steps, several important topics: understanding computers, the concept of data processing, key attributes of computers, the history and progression of computers, and the distinguishing features of various computer generations. Let's start with understanding computers. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. A computer is an electronic device capable of performing arithmetic and logical operations rapidly. Often referred to as a data processor, a computer can store, process, and retrieve data on demand. Now let's discuss the concept of data processing. Data processing involves using a computer to manipulate data. Data serves as a raw input, and the processed output is known as the information. This process includes capturing data, manipulating it, and producing information as the result. Computers possess several key attributes: high processing speed, precision and accuracy, large storage capacity, automation capabilities, and versatile applications. These attributes can make the indispensable tools in various fields. Now let's dive into the historical development of computers. Early innovations include the mechanical adding machine invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642 and the first multiplication device created by Baron Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz in 1671. Keyboard-based machines emerged in 1880s in the United States as punch cards were introduced by Herman Hollerith, and the same era remaining in use until the late 90s. Charles Babbage, known as a pioneer of modern digital computing, designed the difference engine in 1822 and developed a fully automatic analytical engine by 1852, capable of performing basic arithmetic operations. His work laid the foundational principles for modern digital computers. Significant early computers include the Mark I, developed between 1937 and 1944, the Hands-off Very computer from 1939 to 1942, the ENIAC, created between 1943 and 1946, the EDVAC, built from 1946 to 1952, the ETSAC, developed from 1947 to 49, the Manchester Mark I in 1948, and the ENIAC, which appeared in 1951. The evolution of computer generation is remarkable. The first generation in 1940s and 1950s utilized vacuum tubes and was characterized by large inefficient machines that consumed significant power. An example is the ENIAC. The second generation in the 1950s and 1960s employed transistors, resulting in smaller and more reliable computers like the IBM 1790. The third generation from 1960s to the 1970s used integrated circuits which reduced the size and cost while enhancing the reliability and speed. The IBM System by 360 is an example. The fourth generation from the 1970s to the present is based on microprocessor technology, leading to highly compact and efficient computers, popularized by personal computers such as the Intel 4004. The fifth generation focusing on artificial intelligence and machine learning, featuring advanced parallel processing capabilities and the potential for quantum computing, exemplified by IBM Watson. Thank you for joining us in exploring the evolution of computers. We hope this video has enhanced your understanding of fantastic journey of computer technology.